It's very clear that if we want the local women to be part of the solution in post-conflict situation, in mediation, in reconstruction, they must be feel empowered, and the confidence for them comes of having women as interlocutors in peacekeeping.
Leader of the gender-based violence course. She has also run the course.
This process will be done. We should be deploying officers based on this. So that is.
Start point, look 1. The roots, as we are all familiar with the roots. You commit yourself. You are ready to wait for 24 hours, and you are ready to go anywhere, even though you are married. So I'm ready to go anywhere.
I learned a lot in UN. I made very good friends as well. And that technology which I learned here, I don't think I would be able to learn in Pakistan.
Yes.